In this lecture, we are going to cover keywords, reserved words in Python. These all words are given by the Python. Python virtual machine can understood these all words meaning. Each and every keyword having their own meaning. So in the Python, reserved words, also known as keywords, are predefined words that have special meanings and purpose within the Python programming language. Within the Python programming language, each and every keyword having their own meaning as per the Python. These keywords cannot be used as a identifier. In a previous lecture also we discussed this. So most of these keywords are used to define the syntax and structure of Python programs. Suppose you want to declare a class name, method, function name, you should go with a def. And if you, in case you want to define any class, there is a class reserved word. If in case you want to go with the boolean values, there's a true, false. In this way we are going the different part. If you want to import any function, you should use import. Like the keywords like if else and while for used for flow control and loop. These are flow control, right? So definition class are used to defining functions and classes respectively. Import and from are used to importing modules and packages. Try, catch, and finally are used for exception handling. And or not are used for boolean operations. True, false, and none are used for representing boolean and null values. Reserved words in Python are case sensitive. Means generally you observed here the capital T and capital F, capital N. Definitely you should follow this kind of rules. You never use all lowercase either uppercase. That is not your choice. Definitely as per Python restriction you should go with, if you get this consisting uppercase letters, you should go with uppercase, either you should use lowercase letters. Reserved words in Python are case sensitive. If in case there is a small if is there, if you are trying to use like this, if both are having a different keyword, both are having different meanings, and it is a syntactically error also. If a reserved word is used as an identifier, it will be result is an syntax error. If in case you are trying to use this variable, this a keyword as a variable name, method name, function name, definitely it will be going to like a syntactical error. And when we compared with other programming languages like a C++ and Java, that keywords are, some are added, some are removed in this Python. In Python, there is no switch case. We just generally you observe switch and do and go to, which are not present, which are not available in this present Python programming language. And it is also not available public, private, and protected. And you observe one more is also final and static. These keywords are not available in this Python. And what are the added in the Python when compared to C and C++ and Java? Some keywords are added in this Python. One is async and await. This await and async. For asynchronized programming language, and with for, there is a with is there. With for context management, which is simplifies the resource allocation and deallocation. And yield for generator function and non-local and global. These two keywords for modifying a variables in nested scope. And a Python has the keyword true, false, none for boolean and null values, these three variables. And memory management point of view also, in Java there is a new delete, free, this kind of memory deletion operations are there, keywords are available. But as per Python has automatically memory management can provide. And exception handling point of view, there's a try, catch, throw, finally is there. But in a Python, try, except, they are using except, rise, and finally. This kind of words they can be used. These keyword names definitely you should know. If you know, and if you should have a clear idea about these all the keywords, this will be very asset to you, right? So definitely you should know, you should aware about this all the keywords. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.